Happy afternoon and happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. I had to do this video 5 or 6 days back, but because of so many things, I thought, okay, now is the time to give you the syllabus changes with respect to Group 2. The Group 1 syllabus changes is already done by Sir, so if you've not watched that, now is the time for you to go and see. And yes, guys, with respect to Group 2, and if you are writing your exams in Jan 2026, there are no changes for you all. How do I understand that there are no changes in the book? Now, if you go to the study material, go to boslive.ica.org, study material new scheme, English medium. Now, if you see here, applicable for May 2025, September 2025, and Jan 2026 examination. So, the same study material is applicable for Jan 2026 also. If you're writing group 2, there are absolutely no changes for you. If you're writing group 1, sir has already updated the tax only has gone through a statutory update. For that, again, there is a video in our channel. Now, in case your exams are in May 2026, now for all the people who are writing exams in May 2026, the study material edition is still July 2024. That means it is still the old study material, but they have reprinted now for August 2025. What is the meaning of that edition is July 2024 and reprinted in 2025? That means conceptually everything is the same. There are no changes in the concepts, no addition or deletion in the concepts. But in the test your knowledge questions, the additional questions will be given. So for all the subjects, costing, auditing, FM and SM, you can see the edition of July 2024 and reprinting of August 2025. I will just show you for one of the subjects. Now here again, I'm going to the home. Study material new scheme, intermediate English. Here, applicable for May 2026 exam onwards. I will take my favorite subject, auditing and ethics. Under that, the initial pages. The first one is the initial pages. Now, if you see here, you can see the edition July 2024, August 2025. Same way for module 2, same way for all the other subjects. The edition is 2024, reprinted is this time. That means the questions are additionally added. Now, where can you see these additional questions? In this channel itself for auditing and strategic management, I will be doing it. And for costing and FM also, we will be posting if there are any additional questions, which is updated in the reprinted version of August 2025, which becomes applicable for your May 2026 examinations. Students writing Jan 2026, you don't have to worry at all. All right, guys, all the very best. I hope you all are studying in full swing, guys. Yes.